Good evening everyone, come back to my channel, and today I would like to show you how to use clone in Procreate. For the first thing, you need to insert the photo. Okay, I'm gonna show you why we need to use the clone and how we need to use in the Procreate, because in the clone we have already in Photoshop. For like this one, we need to remove the black head one on her face. So the first thing, we need to go setting, and then we take the clone. And the three things that we need to understand about the brush, we need to choose the medium brush is the best one as I use. And the second thing is about the brush size, big or small, and the strength, I mean the darks or the lines. Okay, let's test it. But for thing, we need to clone nearby, which means that the color is similar to the one. So when you clone it, for the layer it will be the same. To make sure that one, if you clone at the bright side and the other new is about the bright side also, to make sure about that. If not, it's gonna be the black one. Okay, and you need to take care about the strength and the brush size also. Okay, for this nearby the eyes also, we need to clear it. We need to remove for the circle to near, which means is the nearest one, as I told you before. If not, it's gonna be the blacks. So when you clone, gonna be a different color. Take care for this one. Okay, it's similar to the Photoshop. If you can use the Photoshop, you will understand clearly about the clone meaning. Okay, we try this one. You see, it look like the same color because we clone the nearby one. And for the second thing, I'm gonna show you about the clone can do it. We lock this one, we tap around 3 minutes to clone it, which means that when you clone, the first pan is come from many things. If you not lock, as you see, it move around. But if you lock it, see, hold 3 seconds, it will start from only that one for a new thing till. Okay, you see, it's not move. But to make sure that it is only one, if you take out for your hands, it's gonna be start again, to make sure that one. Okay, anyway, for the last one that I show you, please make sure the layer that you clone is on the picture. If you create a new layer, it's gonna be nothing, because your new layer is no like the drawing or the picture. But if you use with the layer that have the photo, it can use the clone tool. If not, you cannot use it. Okay, I hope that this video can make you to understand about the clone tool in the Procreate. See you tomorrow. Please subscribe to me if you like and you want to more the new video from me. Thank you.